In this video, I'll show you the steps to install Itrezo as a first-time user. I'll cover how to prepare the server prior to install, the steps for installation, and how to set up and configure the service. Well, let's get started. First, we have to add the service account to your company server. Launch Computer Management. Expand Local Users. Select Groups. Right-click Administrators and click Add to Group. Click Add. Add the service account that was created for Itrezo. Click the Check Names button and click OK. Click Apply and then click OK. Next, we have to configure the service account to log on as a service. Run Security Policy Manager. You can type seccpol.msc. Expand Local Policies, then select User Rights Assignment. Scroll down and double-click on Log On as a Service. Click Add User or Group. Enter the name of the Itrezo service account. Click the Check Names button and click OK. Click Apply and then click OK. And you're ready to go to the next step. Next, we'll install the Itrezo software. First, download the Itrezo installer to your server. Navigate to this URL. Right-click itrezoagent.exe and click Save Target As. Select where to save the Itrezo installer and click Save. Once the download is complete, click Open Folder below. Open itrezoagent.exe and click Install. Click Yes. Click Next. Review the license agreement and click the checkbox to accept it if you agree. Click Next again, and click Next again. Enter the Itrezo service account credentials. Here, a NetBIOS logon is performed, and these credentials are verified by on-premise Active Directory. Click Next. Click Install. Click Finish once the installation is complete, and then click Close. Installation is done, and you're ready to go on to the next step. Next, we'll complete the first-time setup. Click Service Mailbox Setup. Select your company's Exchange environment. In this example, I'm selecting Exchange. Select the Exchange version type to be appropriate to your system. Enter the direct URL to your Exchange server here. Then click Validate. Click OK. Click Next. Enter the desired email address to serve as the Itrezo admin in the email address field. This will be used as a point of contact, so make certain it's a monitored email. You can type a few characters here and the gal will fill in the rest of the form for you. Click Get in the authorization code field. Make sure there's a check in the Request Trial License Pack checkbox. Then click Next. Make sure the Start All Services and Launch Web Administrator checkbox is checked. Then click Finish. And that's it. Itrezo is now installed and running on your server. Note, Itrezo will send 2 emails. One will contain details about your license, and the other is a generic message confirming your Itrezo UCM registration. We recommend you forward the license email to the service account mailbox, which is listed in the email itself. The service mailbox actively listens to emails and will react with a confirmation that the license pack is installed successfully. If you have any problems, or if something isn't working as expected, visit the Itrezo support page here and file a ticket. Someone will get back to you shortly. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching.